Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at this. It's a beautiful poppy field at sunset. And today I'm going to show you how we made this. So I've created a template with two A4 pieces together, and now this is just the bottom layer of powder I want to get on. So this is some canary yellow. So do you see I'm putting the blue at the edges? I'm also using some neo lavender at the edges. Neo lavender is not reactive, which is good because I don't want, I don't want a reaction in my skies. So I've put some, as I said, lots of canary yellow down. I'm just going to put some sunflower yellow now. Sunflower yellows are going to also be in the main sun piece on top, so I don't want to put too much of this down. It's going to be more canary. I've got some transparent yellow I'm going to put on as well. And I also want to use some sunset coral. I love this colour, but I'm going to keep this to kind of the edges. So that's my sky for the moment. I can cover it back up like so, and then I'm going to take the next layer off. So this is the far distant mountains, which I want quite murky and dark, dark green, so using deep forest green. Quite a thick layer of this. Might do some enamelling on top of this just to give some texture and maybe add some frit on the next firing. I'm also going to add some aventurine green, that's sort of, again, using my pinch technique where it goes on, but I'm using quite big lumps of it to give texture as well. And I'm just going to add olive, is quite a kind of muted green, sort of bring it all down a little bit. So just do that. So that layer's done. Clear this off, put that on, and then we'll take the next layer off. Go slightly lighter. I'm going to start with the olive green this time. I'm going to add some pea pod. Again, another nice green colour, but a bit muted. And I'll just stick a little bit of aventurine here and there, but as you see, kind of less than it was on the last one. So that's that layer. So we just need to do the last. Put this one back on. And this is going to be kind of the brightest, so I'm going to use my spring green. This is going to be mostly covered up with stringers and so I've just added a bit of jade green to just give a bit of texture. So let's just take off the layers. I'm kind of pulling away at the edges. Oops, head-butting the phone. There we are. Now I've got a little bit of kind of area here where it's not quite joined. I'm going to need the powder a little bit just to sort of join it up a bit. It's all right, I don't mind that. So this is ready to go in the kiln, be tack fused, and we can see how it looks when it comes out. So I've got a little template here that I just took the sun from the internet that I liked, and I'm just going to put this down here. This is bobbling out and I don't really want it to, so I'm just going to... This is marigold yellow, so getting this on here. Oop, that's really making a mess. Okay, then we're going to remove this bit off here. And I'm going to put some more marigold down. I've just got to adjust the stencil to make sure it's covering up my mountains. I've got some marigold going down all the way out. Then I'm going to put some orange. This is just orange 125 going out, and then I'm just going to put some red on the periphery, on the outside edge bit. I just want to put a little bit more marigold. So I realised I wanted some marigold at the beginning. There we go. Now I'm going to try and get this piece off now, so it's not going to be as easy. Okay, but it doesn't really matter so much because I am going to be messing around with a paintbrush with it. So I'm going to come from here and create some So this can go in the kiln on a tack fuse, and then we can finish decorating it. Here is this out of the kiln, looking great. It looks really great in the light. I now want to decorate it, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Here it is out of the kiln and in a frame. We put it in this very lovely bright red frame we got the other day at IKEA, and I quite love it, and it really kind of makes the whole piece pop. You could put it in a white frame, you might prefer that, or even a black frame. I think actually IKEA are doing these in like pale wood, darker wood, black, white, all colours, so it's definitely worth getting down to IKEA at the moment. They've got some really good box frames. I just love this piece. It's so bright and just it feels like summery sunset, and that's exactly what it's supposed to be. So I hope you've enjoyed this piece. Please make sure you go to our website. You can get the poppy wafers. These are the spring Excel leaves, and we've got our trees are all available on the website there at tabithasglassemporium.com. On there you can sign up to our newsletter and get news of any new products and any new videos coming out, so make sure you do that. Please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, all those things help us make more content for you. We also have our Facebook group, go check that out, lots of inspiration there for all you fusers and other artists. Go and have a look there, and until next time, happy fusing.